The Football Association of Wales is delighted to hear the news that the UEFA Executive Committee have today announced that in 2017 the Champions League Final will be staged here in Cardiff at the Millennium Stadium. The Football Association of Wales have made it very clear from the start, as part of our strategic plan, that hosting a major events is a key part in order to promote the football in this country. We started that with the Under-19 European Championships in 2013. We followed that up with a very successful staging of the Super Cup last year, and I'm delighted to see today the UEFA Executive Committee have entrusted the Football Association of Wales, together with our partners, to bring to life the biggest club event in the world. In 2017, the Champions League Final will be the biggest single event in the year. It's an amazing success for us to go from where we were to where we are now, to staging the world's biggest event in 2017, and we're delighted with that news. A lot of people need to be thanked for their help in putting this bid together. Of course, the people at the Football Association of Wales, but we wouldn't have been able to do it without the help and support, of course, of the Millennium Stadium, the help and support of Cardiff City Council, the help and support of the Welsh Government, and also, of course, of Westminster, and in particular, the Welsh office in Westminster. Thank you to all of those people to make it happen, and ultimately, our work starts now over the next 2 years to deliver what we hope will be a fantastic event in 2017.